Standard 8 General Science Chapter Number 1 Living World and Classification of Microbes. Introduction. Can you recall? What is the hierarchy for classification of living organisms? Who invented binomial system of nomenclature? Which levels of hierarchy are considered while writing the name in binomial nomenclature? Biodiversity and need of classification. Last year we learned that all the living organisms on Earth have adapted according to geographic regions, food ingestion, defense, etc. While adapting, many differences are observed in the organisms of same species too. According to 2011 census, around 87 million species of living organisms are found on the Earth, including land and sea. To study such a vast number, it was essential to divide them into groups. So, groups and subgroups were created considering the similarities and differences among the living organisms. This process of dividing living organisms into groups and subgroups is called biological classification. Robert Harding Whittaker, 1920-1980, was an American ecologist. In 1969, he divided living organisms into 5 groups. For this classification, Whittaker considered following criteria: complexity of cell structure, prokaryotic and eukaryotic. Complexity of organisms, unicellular or multicellular. Mode of nutrition, plants, autotrophic, photosynthetic, fungi, saprophytic, absorption from dead organisms, animals, heterotrophic and ingestive. Lifestyle, plants, producers animals, consumers fungi, decomposers. Phylogenetic relationship, prokaryotic to eukaryotic, unicellular to multicellular. Living organisms, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, unicellular, Kingdom 1, Monera, unicellular, multicellular, Kingdom 2, Protista, Kingdom 3, fungi, cell wall, present, but organisms can't perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 4, Plantae, cell wall present and organisms can perform photosynthesis. Kingdom 5, Animalia, no cell wall. In history, Carl Linnaeus in 1735 divided living world in 2 kingdoms, Vegetabilia and Animalia. Hecht in 1866 considered 3 kingdoms, Protista, plants and animals. In 1925, Chatton created 2 groups, prokaryotes and eukaryotes. In 1938, Copeland divided living organisms into 4 kingdoms, Monera, Protista, plants and animals. Kingdom 1, Monera. Try this. Activity: take a small drop of curd or buttermilk on a clean glass slide. Dilute it with a little water. Carefully keep a cover slip. Observe it under high power of compound microscope. What did you see? Moving small rod-like microbes are Lactobacilli bacteria. All type of bacteria and blue-green algae are included in the kingdom Monera. Characteristics: all the organisms are unicellular. They may be autotrophic or heterotrophic. These are prokaryotic cells without distinct nucleus or cell organelles. Kingdom 2. Protista. Activity: prepare a temporary mount of 1 drop of pond water on a glass slide. Observe it under low power and high power of microscope. You will find some motile microbes with irregular shape. These are amoeba. Characteristic: Protista are single-celled organisms with well-defined nucleus enclosed in a nuclear membrane. They have pseudopodia or hair-like cilia or whip-like flagella for locomotion. Autotrophs, example, Euglena, volvox, contain chloroplast. Heterotrophs, example, amoeba, Paramecium. Kingdom 3. Fungi. Activity: take a moist piece of bread or bhakri and keep it in a container with lid for 2 to 3 days. After 2 to 3 days, a fine cotton thread like tuft is found growing on the surface of the bread. Prepare a temporary mount of few threads from this culture and observe it under the microscope. Institutional work. National Institute of Virology, Pune is involved in research on viruses. This institute has been founded in 1952 under the jurisdiction of Indian Council of Medical Research. Characteristics: these are non-green, eukaryotic, heterotrophic organisms. Most of them are saprotrophs. They feed upon decaying organic matter. Their cell wall is made up of tough and complex sugar called chitin. Some fungi are thread-like and many nuclei are present in the cytoplasm. Examples: baker's yeast, Aspergillus fungus on corn, Penicillium mushrooms. Though many systems of classification are introduced after the Whittaker's, his 5-kingdom system is widely accepted. Use your brain power. Explain merits and demerits of Whittaker's classification. Classification of microbes. Among the living organisms, microorganisms are largest in number. Hence, they are classified as follows. With reference to size of microbes, remember 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 6 micrometer. 1 meter is equal to 10 raised to 9 nanometer nm. Microorganisms: prokaryotes, eukaryotes, bacteria, protista, fungi, algae. Bacteria: size 1 micrometer to 10 micrometer. Unicellular, independent, parasitic organisms. Sometimes many bacteria together form colonies. Bacterial cell is prokaryotic with cell wall, but distinct nucleus or cell organelles are absent. They reproduce by simple binary fission. In favorable conditions, bacteria grow vigorously and can double their number in 20 minutes. Coccus, Coccobacillus, Bacillus, Spirillum, Vibrio, comma-shaped. Protozoa, size approximately 200 micrometer. Protozoans are found in soil, fresh water and seawater. Some are found in the body of other organisms and are pathogenic. These are unicellular organisms with eukaryotic cell. There is great variation in cell structure, organs of locomotion, and modes of nutrition among protozoans. These organisms reproduce by simple cell division. Example, amoeba, paramecium, free living in dirty water. Entamoeba histolytica causes amoebiasis. Plasmodium vivax causes malaria. Euglena autotrophic. Fungi. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. These are found on decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. These are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and others are visible with naked eyes. Saprotrophic absorb their food from decaying organic matter. They reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or by budding. Example, baker's yeast, candida, mushroom. Algae. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. They are aquatic, eukaryotic, unicellular, autotrophic organisms. Photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplast present in the cell. Example, chlorella, Chlamydomonas. Very few species of algae are unicellular. Most of them are multicellular and visible with naked eyes. Viruses. Size approximately 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Generally, viruses are not considered as living organisms, or they are said to be organisms at the edge of living and non-living. They are studied under microbiology. Viruses are extremely minute, that is, they are 10 to 100 times smaller than bacteria and can be seen only with electron microscope. They are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid or RNA, ribonucleic acid, covered by a protein coat. Viruses survive only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with help of host cell and create their numerous replica. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. These free viruses again infect new cells. Viruses cause many diseases to plants and animals. Do you know? Human poliovirus, influenza virus, HIV/AIDS virus, etc. Cattle, picorna virus, plants, tomato wilt virus, tobacco mosaic virus, etc. Bacteria, bacteriophage viruses attack bacteria. Internet, my friend. Collect pictures and characteristics of different microbes. Prepare a chart.